morning. Out with the girls. It was strange this morning. Sandy wasn't rattling at the door to get out. She just sat on her mummy's knee. Had to be dragged out. Not like her at all. Sky always runs backwards and forwards. Like she wants to go and doesn't want to go. She wants to go but she don't want to have the harness on. It's all a game with her. Then you have to shut the door and say you're not coming then, while you put the harness on Sandy. Then she comes to the door and stands looking like, why are you leaving me? And they open the door and she comes running out. Once she's in a harness she actually wants to go, but this morning Sandy, no. Although now she's pulling like she normally does and she's barking at the dogs across the way. Big changes in the weather. Now miserable. Not raining. We must have had some rain in the night. It's supposed to be raining all day from 4 AM till 11 tonight. That's according to Jeff Bezos. But now it appears to have disappeared and it's just going to be windy and cloudy for the day. She's getting proper cranky. They fall out with Mother Teresa when there's another dog around, these two. At least the humidity isn't 100% this morning. It's only 97%. But with this wind, it feels a little bit cooler to be walking anyway. She's getting very agitated. She wants to go around towards the other dogs and cause trouble. But we're going the long way around to the water. Give everybody time to get out of the way. She's like Lucifer. That fella knows as well. He laughs every time he sees these two. We can't have a conversation anymore, only when we're out with Milo. At least we go walking, not yapping. The only yapping is these two. Yap, yap, yap. And last night was bonfire night. We were just getting ready for going upstairs. And a load of kids come to the door. Want to know if we've got anything for the bonfire. Said no. Unfortunately, we paid a man with a van to take all our rubbish away. And then everybody else gets theirs burnt for free. I'm surprised the fire engine wasn't there. Normally the police, or the guards as we call them over here, come and drag everybody away from it. And the fire brigade come and put it all out, or the council with the JCB come and take it all away before the kids get a chance to have their bonfire. But there was no sign of them yesterday, so the misery police, who must report it all, must have been away. Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Come on. If you're in the long grass, you wouldn't give them monkeys. Come on. Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Sky, come on. Come on. Jeepers creepers. Come on. Come on. Oh, we're turning around and going home. Come on. Sky, come on. Good gracious me, it's a nettle. You've no problem with it normally. At last. I forgot what I was saying now. Oh yeah, bonfire night. And the misery police reporting the kids for having a bit of fun. One day a year they like to have a bonfire. Can't remember what saint's birthday it is, but it's on a particular day around the 23rd of June. So anyway, bonfires are now illegal thanks to the Greens. And fireworks nights, I think we have them in October sometime. I don't think it's actually on Halloween, but it's near Halloween. They're illegal as well, but we still seem to manage to have them. In all fairness, they don't do any harm. Just kids having fun. Kids being kids. Like these terriers being terriers, being allowed to be dogs. Everybody needs to have a little bit of fun sometime. You got a grass ball on your face. Took it off her. I don't want little grass balls irritating her. The wind must be blowing in the different direction. You can hear the road or the traffic from the road. I don't know whether you can hear it, but I can. It sounds like we're at the side of a motorway. Sun's creeping through actually. Oh, we're in the lick of our paws again. You just know she's going to be rolling around when we get to the flat grass. Yep, called it right. Has she got knotted up or not? Yep, she was knotted up and she's knotted up again. Oh, she's absolutely knotted up now. Come on, Sky. Chasing the magpies again. And we've gone to cool off after our little running around. Sandy's gone downstream. Here we go. As you can see, the leaves are blowing. A good old wind going. What we're watching, she's just generally musing, see what's going on. Go, Sky. There's nothing going on. Who's that? Who's that? You can hear a dog barking on the other side of the river. Come on. Come up. Let's have you. What are we doing? Come up. Come up. Come on. Sandy, come on. Back across the water, heading home. Guy's cautious of Sandy, which is flying around like a don't know what. Now she's stopped to watch the pigeons. And off again. She keeps stopping and licking her paw. I honestly can't see anything wrong with it. I keep checking. Sky wants to go over towards that girl over there, or lady, whoever it is. She thinks she's got a dog with her. She hasn't. And when she's stubborn, she just becomes a dead weight and sits down on the ground. Even Sandy wants to get home because she knows there's probably a treat waiting for her when she gets back. Come on. Shiver her along a bit. Come on. Sky. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, come on. Hopefully it stays dry for the day. And if it does, we'll see you out later on. But for now, we'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.